Every year, we recognize Bay East members who have excelled in their profession, in their contributions to the association, and their efforts in the community. We had many outstanding candidates in 2018, and we recognized the following members at the 2019 inaugural. The 2018 Realtor of the Year is Leslie Fott, who demonstrates a high level of integrity and commitment to Bay East and the real estate industry. Elisa Chow is the 2018 Rookie of the Year. She is a newly licensed, full-time realtor who demonstrates a combination of the realtor spirit of integrity, professional business conduct, and service to clients. The 2018 Affiliate of the Year is Annette Kalik, a Platinum Affiliate member of the association who demonstrates leadership, community involvement, and has a high professional standards. Our 2018 Good Neighbor of the Year is Gina Piper. Giving back to the community is Gina's passion and was recognized for her ongoing efforts to make exceptional contributions in her local community. The John Diedrich Distinguished Service Award is given to a Bay East member who has contributed their skills to promoting Bay East goals throughout the year. Bill Espinola is the 2018 winner of this prestigious award. Mike Francisco is the 2018 Outstanding Leader, a Bay East past president who continues to pursue the vision and excellence in the name of our organization. Congratulations to all the 2018 award winners. We appreciate all you have done for the real estate industry and are proud to have you as Bay East members.